You know, and a lot of people think that this is just sort of like a teenage phase and you need to kind of tough it out. But if you can it can leave you with permanent facial scars, which is another whole set of problems. And maybe you're saying you can't afford one of those fancy face doctors. That's okay. We're here to tell you how you can get that best face forward. It may look like Jocelyn is just taking another selfie, but she's actually diagnosing and treating the pimples that won't go away with age.
Since I was about 14, and I thought it would go away when I was a teenager, and now I'm 30 and it's still happening.
Jocelyn is like 60 million Americans who have active breakouts. 20% of them are adults, and we're spending $400 million a year on over-the-counter medicines to try and clear it all up.
It's confusing as to what is out there and helpful.
Jocelyn initially sought the help of Dr. Judy Hellman. As a dermatologist, she's seen some of the worst cases of scarring acne.
My heart sometimes breaks for these patients, and I actually made acne a niche treatment of my practice because I think people, especially the young people, where it's really psychologically damaging to their social life, to their romantic life, and later on to their professional life.
And she knows not everyone can afford the time or money to see a doctor on a monthly basis, which is why she also prescribes the MD Acne app when a patient can't get in to see her.
The best acne cleanser.
The app analyzes a selfie, gathers some info, then suggests which pimple-busting regimen would work best.
When I was younger, I was using pretty cheap products from like a drugstore, and a lot of times that would dry my skin out really fast or make it peel.
Hellman says the app takes the guesswork out, and patients say it works.
How much improvement would you say you've seen in your skin since you started using the advice of the app?
Actually, a pretty significant amount.
Here we go.
And letting acne run its course could leave you with lasting scars, which can be treated. Hellman uses the Fractora laser to clean up pimples and the scars left behind, but it can also clean out your wallet, with each treatment costing $500 and up, and several are needed.
If somebody has serious acne, the skin stretches each time they get a big cyst, and then the skin goes back down, and then it stretches again with a big cyst. So eventually it results in scarring, and scarring is very difficult to treat.
And repairing those acne scars, those laser treatments can be about $500 each. You need several of them in order for it to work. And you've got to put a lot of time into it, too, because they have to put a numbing cream all over your face, and that has to take a while to work as well. As far as the MD Acne app, they give you a whole range of products to choose from, so you can either go the drugstore route or you can go a little bit higher end if that's the way you want to do it. We are live this morning talking about all things acne and how to solve it. I'm Kirsten Cole, Fix 11 News.